Hi guys, Charles here and welcome to the unboxing and review of the itel A70. itel A70 is the direct successor of the itel A50, and one thing I love about itel phone is that it is a budget friendly phone and actually favors anyone, whether you are a low income earner, a student, or anyone who is just a starter. itel products favors you. Now this is a phone that was released in 2024, and looking at the specification, this phone comes with a 6.6-inch big screen with a dynamic bar. We also look at 8 GB RAM, which is of course extendable, 3 plus 5 GB. Then it has a storage of 128 GB ROM. If you were to go further, other features we see, this is actually a 4G phone, so it supports 2G, 3G, and 4G. The battery capacity is 5000 amps, and that is quite impressive. It means it can take quite long. We look at the front camera, which is 8 megapixel, and the rear camera is actually 13 megapixel, which is AI dual. That looks really amazing, but of course we are going to test it. This is a type C. It seems like most of the companies are now releasing their phones which are having type C charger. That is quite amazing. So those are basically some of the features that you look at, but of course it's also having a side fingerprint and also face unlock with an upgraded operating system of 113, which I think is quite amazing. So without wasting much time, let's get to open the box, and then we see what you get when you buy yourself an itel A70. I had already broken the seal, so there's no need to, but of course this is a very brand new phone. Upon opening the box, of course you get a brand new phone right here, and this is the itel A70. So this is how it looks like, with some sticker in front of it, and like I said, it's 128 GB storage plus 8 GB RAM, and I think, yeah, that is a massive memory. 128 can do quite a lot. This is a dual SIM, and this is the design. This is how the design from the back looks like. It's having about 2 cameras, and then I think one is a touch. Very amazing. As you open the box further, you get a case right here. This is more like a silicone case. Of course this is how it looks like, and with branded as awesome. There's some writing behind awesome. Of course we also get a charger by itel, and this is the charger. We also get the USB cable, which is of course type C, and itel started releasing type C for charging phones in 2024. Apparently we also get some earbuds right here. This looks to be good, but of course I'm going to test and do a very detailed video about this. Another thing that you get is a SIM ejection tool right here, and that is what you get when you buy yourself an itel A70. Let's get to power on the phone, and then we see what exactly this phone looks like. It's powered by Android, of course, we know that. So looking at the device itself, let's get to see how it has been designed. When you look at the phone, of course, right on top we see the front camera with the speakers on top, and then we can see the charging port. This is also a speaker, and then there's your port for the earphones. This is how the design looks like from the back. There is an awesome logo on it, or awesome branded as awesome. And then we can see the camera. They're saying it's the matrix camera. I'm pretty sure this is the touch, and then we have the camera right here, which is of course AI powered. And then on the side of the phone we can see the SIM slots, and this is actually a dual SIM. And then on the other side we have the power button, and then the volume rocker button right here. So that is it. Let's look at the phone, and then this is how the phone actually looks like. Some apps comes in pre-installed. We can see the TikTok Lite and then the Facebook Lite are already pre-installed. But of course, looking at the features, just to confirm, this is itel A70, and then this is the model. Model is actually this, and then we see the processor 13, powered by Android 13, 8 megapixel 13. And this is how your phone looks like. This phone goes for 350,000 Uganda shilling, and I think for that budget, this is a very decent phone for that budget. And if you are a starter or even not a starter, this phone can actually work, because I'm going to be testing the camera and all those so that I see the difference, and then I do a detailed video about it. You can get it around that range. And my name is Charles. I am a Ugandan tech reviewer. If this video is helpful, please be sure to subscribe, like it, and let me know your thought actually in the comment section. I'm yet to do a lot of reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.